Hello, in this video I would like to share with you the final overall progression of a finalized scene. Here in the viewport you can see everything is set in place. It's all clay rendered right now, but everything is set in place. From our mechs to our soldiers, our destructed buildings to our helicopters. If we go over here and we look to the right hand side of the screen, you can see that the layers that I was speaking of earlier in the previous video and as well as the workshop article, um, these have really just come in handy. Um, I swear by these. I use these for everything that I work on. It keeps everything so hyper organized. So if I go through and just go ahead and hide some of this stuff, I'll just keep the mechs up there. Can go back over to perspective, and we can see here we just have our mechs. And if we switch on textured view, you can see that it's up here. So you see over here that I had labeled mech arms, head, legs, shoulders, spotlights, torso. The reason I did this was in order for me to be able to make little changes here or there, tweaks, if I needed anything done or wanted stuff taken away and I didn't want to focus on anything else, I could get right in there and take care of what I needed to without having to deal with the rest of the model. And we'll just go ahead and get back to our main render cam here. And we'll start popping things back in. Let's go to textured view again. And let's pull in our soldiers and our choppers layer, our destruction buildings. Here's our environment and our smoke. I think the smoke really adds a lot to atmosphere, just really kind of giving off a feel of realism. Let's go ahead and click on our lights as well as our spotlights. And then let's hit 7 on your keyboard to bring up our lighting. This is a generalized look of how the finalized render will be. And this is our scene. I really hope that checking out some of this stuff has inspired you to go out and create your own epic scenes.